Hello guys, as you all know, I'm a big fan of Lionel trains. You can see it in my collection. I'm a huge fan of that. But today, I went to a train show, and I found a diesel locomotive made by a company that probably none of you have ever heard of. Have you all heard of the Bang Model Railroad Company? That's right. This locomotive I have was made by Bang. I got the Baltimore and Ohio locomotive. It was made by Bang. I looked them up, I couldn't find nothing. This was made 11 years ago, so it's a conventional running locomotive. This entire train I'm about to show you, I bought at this train show for the low price of just over $160. First, we have this diesel locomotive. It's a great runner of the Baltimore and Ohio. We'll see it lit up in just a second. With a New York Central covered hopper. Next, we have an Mth Amtrak. Yes, it's genuine Amtrak, full of scrap. Republic Steel Gondola. These things are actually removable. I just like having them there to make it look like a covered gondola. That's not new. I just had that there. I forgot to remove it. But I got the Santa Fe Gondola. The stuff in it's not new, but the car is. You see a CSX coal car that I found made by Menards. And then a Southern Pacific. Light quality is horrible. Just throttle this up. Great runner, by the way. So you got the Southern Pacific hopper car, Reynolds aluminum hopper car, and a Great Northern coal car. An older Great Northern coal car. So let's see this engine run, made by Bang. Yes, it's a conventional engine made in 2010. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Leave a like and subscribe. Bye.